following message has been transmitted at the request of federal, state, and local authorities. At approximately 2:30 a.m., 3 unidentified hostile anomalies were reported within the city limits of Oakland, California. These entities are considered extremely dangerous and unpredictable. Unconfirmed reports state the anomalies may be armed with multiple firearms, including an AKM pattern rifle, a modified Glock 17 with extended capacity, and a CAR-15 Commando fitted with a blade attachment. Residents in Oakland and surrounding areas are instructed to take immediate protective action. Seek shelter inside the nearest secure building immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off exterior lighting and remain out of sight. Stay away from streets, intersections, parking lots, rooftops, and open areas. Do not attempt to photograph, follow, or interact with the anomalies. Do not confront these anomalies under any circumstances. Anyone attempting physical confrontation with melee weapons or improvised tools is at extreme risk of fatal injury. If travel is unavoidable, use extreme caution and reroute away from reported sightings. If you see the anomalies, remain silent and hidden. Do not draw attention to yourself. Call 911 only when safe to do so. Provide location, direction of travel, and visible hazards. Law enforcement and emergency response units are currently conducting containment operations. Additional federal assets may be deployed as needed. Road closures, curfews, and evacuation orders may be enacted without notice. Residents should prepare emergency supplies, charge communication devices, and monitor official broadcasts. This is an evolving emergency situation. Rumors and misinformation may spread rapidly. Depend only on verified instructions from government authorities. Remain sheltered until an official all-clear has been issued. Repeat. 3 hostile anomalies have been detected in Oakland, California. Shelter in place immediately. Avoid all contact. Await further instructions. This message will repeat until further notice.
Hey, Scradley! What?